hopefully people can come more to a mind space of like not needing it to work out. You know, some people come because they want to make something specific, but other people come because they had a frustrating day at work. And so they just kind of explore, and it's about playing.
Hello.
Hi, welcome.
I'm Valerie, nice to meet
Ellie.
you.
It's nice to meet you. Your hands are so cold. I was just like shocked for a second there.
Oh my God.
Would you like some hot tea?
Yes, please, it'd be great.
I will
Thank you.
work on that for you.
Thank you. So how did you decide to come up with Craftin? How did this get started?
Well, I would walk through the aisles of a store like Michael's and think, I really want to use all of this, but I don't want to own it. I just want to use it.
Yeah.
And I would love to go somewhere and have access to these things. So I decided, I guess I'll get it all, but then I'll share it with everyone.
And what kind of craft? So can anyone just walk in, or do you make an appointment? Are there certain classes? Like, what can you make here?
Really good question. Everything. We try to do everything.
Yeah.
We do. We are not for kids.
Nope. Okay. Yeah.
Adults only. I say where grown-ups can be kids, but without the kids around.
Yes.
But you can just walk in. That's what we call open crafting. That's the buffet. And then we also do workshops with local artists, and we've been partnering with some of our workshop teachers for years, which I'm really proud of. So I teach screen printing, but we have things like embroidery and soap making, like making soap from scratch.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. Well, Ellie, I would love to take a tour of your studio before we jump in. I'm kind of a little nervous about the screen printing, but I trust you, and I know you're going to be a great teacher, so I'm excited. Okay, so let's start off with what you have on this huge wall right here behind you.
The first time that people come in to do crafting, we give this orientation tour because I know that this can be very
a little much.
This is the first stop on our tour. These are professional artist paints. They're awesome to work with, and they go a lot further than many people expect. So we beg everyone to start with literally 3 drops until you get a sense of how much you need, and then go to town. Glitter and
ooh, now this might be my favorite shelf right here.
Do you remember these?
Yes, as a kid, yes.
Yeah, so I have a few jewelry pieces that feature them. Like I have a necklace with a heart on a big gold chain, and I get a lot of compliments. So highly recommend. We like to have old canvases here, and I always suggest what I call art alterations, adding something unexpected to an existing canvas.
Okay.
Like I would do like glitter smoke coming out of this chimney,
awesome.
or like make one of the horses neon, or add Godzilla into here. My favorite part of the studio is these shelves.
Okay.
Together, these form what we call our mini junkyard.
Cool.
So this is where we hoard so you don't have to.
I love it.
It's all sorts of weird and random stuff. Yeah.
Literally, the possibilities are endless. You can find something and make something completely new.
So we usually recommend that people just spend some time exploring, and don't be afraid to like take a bin out and go through it. And if you see something that like sparks joy, grab it right away, because if you think I'll come back for that, we might never find it again.
That's true.
There's so much stuff here.
So by looking at all of this, I now have the creative itch, so I'm ready to do some crafting right now.
Yeah,
all right,
let's do some screen printing.
All right, Ellie, I'm excited, but I'm nervous.
People get very nervous because we have this pressure to like do it right.
Yes.
But who cares?
That's true. I need to get into that mindset.
The risks are very low.
So what do we do? Where do we get started?
So the first step is to just draw a drawing.
Starting off, I think I'm gonna just go do and draw a heart.
I think that's great.
Okay. So after that, what do we do?
We're going to cut this out. And I like to stand up for the actual printing.
Oh, we gotta put our apron on. Hello.
Aprons for sure. The first step of this is called the flood, where all we're doing is laying a very thin layer of ink down on top of the design.
Okay.
And the way I do that is I hold the squeegee 45 degrees away.
Okay.
45 is halfway in between down and up. And I just let it rest on the surface.
Okay.
So with its own weight, it's gonna move the ink. And you just go above your design.
Oh my God.
So this sticks to that. And then we have a print.
That's awesome. Just gonna Move it forward.
Yep, nice. That looks great. That was a great flood.
Okay, now we turn it around for the pull, and that's where we put all the pressure.
Do you want me to hold this for you?
Yeah, okay.
That looks great.
Lift up the screen.
Yeah, and the stencil will stick to it.
Oh my God, I did it!
That's pretty rad.
This is awesome. Ellie, thank you so much for teaching me about screen printing.
Thanks for playing.
This place is absolutely beautiful, and I love people can come and just enjoy, meditate, relax, and just be creative. And thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna keep creating more koozies if that's okay.
Oh, please, do more.